In my last couple of videos, we talked about companies that sell pharmaceutical products. What about a company that makes them? Hi guys, it's Newfire, back with part 13 of my series SSSMI, where I'm going to be talking about Johnson & Johnson. You've probably seen a couple of commercials for them for products under the corporation's several companies, including Tylenol, Neutrogena, Aveeno, etc. J&J is a bit more behind the scenes, if you will, but that doesn't make them any less of a candidate for an investment. So let's get right to it. First off, J&J is in the pharmaceutical industry, where they develop and sell medical products of all sorts. This includes, but is not limited to, everyday self and healthcare products, advancing technology, and of course, pharmaceutical products. As the company's grown, they've acquired several brands like the ones I mentioned briefly that helped expand their stance in the pharma industry. So, we got who they are. Now let's take a look at the company stock. J&J went public a little over 75 years ago at $37.50. Now, the stock price is $158. Even though most people watching, including myself, wouldn't have had the ability to invest then, with the slight problem of not being born yet, it's still important to take the stock's initial price into consideration to see how much it's grown since. If you'd invested $1,000 in J&J 15 years ago, your stock would be worth $2,300 today. So, in 15 years, the stock's value had more than doubled. On top of that, on par with our recurring theme of dividends, J&J does offer dividend pay. So on top of the gains accumulated on the actual stock itself, you have the option of being paid dividends. Now, this is great and all, but we want to invest in the future, not the past. So it's really a coin toss, however, since the future of J&J is dependent on the future of medical care itself. On one hand, J&J continues to develop all kinds of products and technology that'll ensure it holds onto its spot at the top. On the flip side, it faces competition from healthcare policies and other upcoming pharmaceutical companies. One thing I will say is that J&J has managed to tough it out for more than a century. They have a lot of space to grow in the future, and that could work in the investors' favor. And that's it. So what do you think? We hit a bit of a plateau with the last couple companies, but this one seems promising. Yes, it's hard to tell the future of any company, but using a variety of factors like their past and their products, you can make a more accurate estimation of where the company will be. Again, this series is for amateur investors who don't have the ability to really research each and every company individually, so the facts we cover are going to be surface level. Anyway, thanks for watching and stay tuned for my next video on Microsoft. This is Newfire, signing out.